Hi, this is Raj from ML Sportscars. Here I've got an absolutely stunning Porsche Cayman 987 Gen 1 2.7, finished in lovely gloss black with some really nice exterior options. It's actually a car we sold 4 years ago. It's just come in as part exchange, and the first time it came in as a part exchange as well, actually. So we know this car very, very well. The last owners lavished a lot of care on it, both mechanically and cosmetically as well. As you can see, it's in absolutely stunning condition. Gloss black looks absolutely amazing when it's all been cleaned. We've just machine polished and waxed this car, but it has been previously ceramic coated as well by the last owner. He also had the trims, the optional silver pack, exterior silver pack, which is these lower bits on the front spoiler, the grills, the side vents, and the lower parts of the mirrors, all repainted, removed and repainted by a professional body shop, just to refreshen them up. We had these wheels refurbished just before we sold it the last time, so 4 years ago, and they're still in amazing unmarked condition, still clean on the insides of the barrels there. They're the optional 19-inch Carrera Classic Wheels, which are 8 inches wide at the front, 9.5 inches at the rear, and they're fitted with Bridgestone Potenzas, which are in absolutely great condition. As you can see, lots of tread left on them. Same with the brakes too, no lips on those. The lovely Guards Red brake calipers as well, they were repainted by a previous owner with the official Porsche lettering added as well, again at a professional body shop. There's the tread of the rear tyres as well, and the rear brakes. I mean, it's just such a great entry-level introduction to Porsche ownership. These 2.7s are the smallest engine you could get for the Caymans, and it is absolutely a glorious drive. It's a 2008 car, so that means it has the smaller, safer IMS bearing, and it doesn't use oil or have smoke or anything like that. It's just in fantastic condition. Another option on this car was the red tail lights, and there it is with the spoiler up. It also had from the factory the twin exhaust instead of the single oval, so it looks much more like the S from that perspective. And yeah, as you can see, the paintwork is stunning. On the inside, it's got the leather interior, so it has the leather two-way electric seats. Has leather on the armrest there, leather on the center armrest, and the optional thicker rimmed leather steering wheel as well. So that's in great condition, and it just suits the interior very well. It's got the Tiptronic S 5-speed gearbox, which is a full automatic box, but it can be put into manual, and then you can use the paddles on the steering wheel to change the gears. The stereo is the CDR24, so it has a CD radio. It has the full climate control system as well. And yeah, as you can see, it's in fantastic condition. It's got the dark grey trim there as well, across there, and then the silver in the vents. Let me show you the front and rear boot. And also, let me just start it up actually first so you can hear that it sounds beautiful. A great 2.7 flat 6. Actually sounds very throaty, very nice sounding car. It's covered 77,869 miles, which isn't too bad. It's actually been maintained exactly as it should, so serviced regularly every 2 years as a minimum. So I'll open the front and rear sections. So this is the rear boot. You've got two sections here which you can use for luggage. You can move that net down to there if you wish as well. There's the cubbies at the side there, which are also available to you. Because this is a mid-engine rear-wheel drive car, you've got these little compartments there either side of the engine to also store stuff as well. You can put a set of golf clubs across there as well. And it's got that little cover there to hide what your putting in that section when you're not with the car. Obviously that spoiler comes up and down. I'll just do that so you can see that working. So that's it fully down. That comes up automatically at around 70 and goes down at 50. So it would just pop up like that. But as you can see, there's no smoke whatsoever. So there is the front boot. It's got a decent Bosch battery here, which is quite recent. There we go. And then it has all of the tools, so warning triangle there, and then it has everything it should have. So it has locking wheel bolt there, Porsche tyre compressor, towing eye, set of tools. It has the A.S.K amp, so it has the upgraded sound system. It's not the Bose, but it's pretty decent. I think it's 9 speakers, 235 watt from memory. It has the tyre gel and obviously the set of tools there, which is a spanner, a reversible screwdriver, and a headlight adjustment tool in there. There's a little compartment here, storage compartment, which you can also put bits, and it goes all the way to the floor. So there's actually quite a lot of storage space in this car with the front and rear. It's a great two-seater usable sports car, and you can hear that lovely flat 6 boxer engine purring away. Stunning car, ready to be enjoyed. Let me just show you the file as well, so I can go through the history. So as I said, it's 2008, 242 brake horsepower, 201 foot-pounds of torque. It's the 19-inch wheels, 64 litre fuel tank. All of this is available to view on our website as a PDF. So there's the full option list, and I've been through everything except, oh, it has 5mm wheel spacers from the factory, which put the wheels out slightly and fill the arches a bit better. Just seeing if there's anything else I've missed. So yeah, the A.S.K sound system is 235 watt, 9 speakers. Air conditioning. It has rear parking sensors as well, which I didn't mention, and obviously the original Porsche floor mats. Then we've done a full diagnostics on the car, just like we did 4 years ago, and there's only very few over revs, but they're just below the red line. 77 ignitions in total, the last ones being at 29,000 miles. This car's covered 77, so long time ago, and it's only 0.2 seconds worth in total that it's been anywhere near the red line. The operating hours also corroborate with the mileage within tolerance, so it hasn't been clocked either at any point in its life, and the car agrees with its VIN number and everything else, engine number, that kind of thing, all the options as well as the colours. So it's supplied April 2008 by Porsche Reading, 2010 service West London, 2012 West London, 2013 Aston Martin dealer, main dealer, SCS Porsche specialist down in Devon, then BT Performance specialist in Cheshire, 2019 OCD Porsche specialist, 2020 In and Out Auto Centres in Cheshire, then 2020 Bradfield Automotive, that was when we had some work done, suspension and wheel alignments. 2021 it was then serviced Addison Auto Technic. 2021 again they did spark plugs, coil packs. 2021 they did a drive belt. 2022 minor service again, and the front caster arms. 2022 lower coffin arms and the geometry again, and then December 2023 a major service at 77,294. So it's only done another 600 miles roughly since then. Major service with oil, pollen, air filters, brake fluids, new drive belt, new rear discs and pads, and new coil packs. So everything is up to date service wise. It does sound absolutely sensational, and will be great for a new owner to enjoy and cherish. if you are interested in this beautiful 2008 Cayman 2.7 automatic, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.